So hello everyone, welcome again to Navyansh Kids Club. Today is Janmashtami special. I am going to making a flute and mukut. So this is our brown color of paper. This is easily available in market. We wrap this paper on our copies, and from middle it is this part is remaining. So from this part we make flute. So this is our wrapping paper of golden color. We wrap this over it. So we wrap over this flute over this golden wrapping paper, and this part is our remaining. We left this part and we wrap this over it like this. So I wrap this golden paper from that side, from this side, because of this hole will be closed. I fold it with tape. You can also do with Fevicol also. I took silver color of wrapping paper and cut this thin strip of this, and now I take this flute. I wrap this flute and I this close, and this part is our remaining. We took this strip and fold over it like this with tape. We covered this full part with this silver strip. I am making hole from black sketch pen. Hole, and we wrap this silver wrapping paper over it, and this is our hole from I made it black sketch pen. See, I am taking latkan. See, this is Krishna Ji's made it. See, from this side we have to tug this latkan of Krishna Ji. See, wow. So our flute means bansuri is ready. See, now we make mukut. See, I am taking cardboard and now I am making mukut structure. See, our structure of mukut is ready. Now cut this mukut. See, I cut the structure of mukut. First of all, take measure of your head, then made a structure of mukut and then cut it. See, I am taking golden color of wrapping paper because I also made bansuri. This it is also of golden color. It is set. That's why I am using golden wrapping paper. This is our structure of mukut. We put the structure over it and draw it and cut it. See, I pasted over wrapping paper and then cut it. So our mukut is half ready. Now decoration part is remaining. I take red color of glaze paper and cut into this shape, this like a drop shape, and put in a and paste in a center of it. I am taking this small beads and then paste it in between of it. See, I take this motiler and paste it over the surroundings. See, I am taking pink color of beads and put and paste this side. See, I paste this line. See, I paste pink color of beads. Then I paste this red color of a small star over it. I am taking 2 ribbons of red color. Take this ribbon and put this ribbon inside that and then stapler it. See, I put ribbon and staple it, and then for making more punk. See, I make artificial more punk at home. If you have real more punk, so you can also add this like this. I make a more punk with glaze paper, different colors of glaze papers, and this is my glitter sheet. And then cut with scissors like this, and make different colors of glaze papers and put like this. Then our more punk is ready. So see, our both of the things, Bansuri and Mukut, is ready. So like my video, share this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for my videos notification. So bye bye.